evening, everybody. Hope you're enjoying yourselves so far. Thank you very much, John, for that introduction there. We are the Ulster Scots Folk Orchestra here to entertain you for the next hour or so before the grub comes in. And just in case you haven't have enough bagpipes so far tonight, we're going to kick off with Ian Burrows, this time on his big Highland bagpipes, and this is a tune called Wally Nichols Polka.